Are you guys ready to see Jezebel drive up and down the road? Well, stay tuned. So we're back again. It's Saturday morning. We made a new throttle bracket. Jed wanted me to run the camera for some stupid reason. This is the second edition of my throttle cable bracket. Seems to work perfectly. So second time's a charm. And we flooded the hell out of the engine. So Jed's gonna try to burn the fuel out.
You're really doing word for word what I told you.
Well, that's, you know, I read the script.
Oh, the script?
I'm an actor.
Actor?
Unpaid, starving actor. Now the neighbors are going to get mad.
The seat's a little low in here.
Why don't you put your daggone seat in? Oh my God.
Died on me.
Good.
I don't think it can handle the power. I was letting it warm up. I was going to see if the water temperature gauge is going to work. But this thing is really noisy. Good Lord. Oh.
It's very windy today.
It's very windy, very windy. We apologize for the wind. So I guess put my pedal back in there, put my steering wheel on from Jake's, put my seat in, I can take it to the street. You sound worried.
So they'll be bringing you back on the tow truck.
No problem.
And the law right behind.
Oh yeah, the law's gonna be trying.
All right, guys. Well, I'm back. Not Dad. Dad's actually working on the brake lights because we kind of forgot to hook those up. But I just want to show you the steering wheel we got from Rob, which you've already seen. But look at how just freaking beautiful that thing is. We got her mounted. Found out, Rob, I lied. I don't have a horn button installation kit. I thought I did. Since I'm going to run the horn button you sent me, I need a kit. So I'm about to call you. So if you're watching this video, now you know why I'm calling you on your vacation. Because I don't care. I need you to get me one of these so I can actually use your sweet ass little horn button deal, because that looks wicked. Of course, Jezebel used to have that homemade one I had in there, and I love it, but I like the one Rob sent me, so it looks cleaner. So we're gonna run that. So I'm gonna go call you, Rob. Hopefully you answer. If not, I'm gonna come out here and badmouth you. That's the kind of stuff I do. Alrighty guys, so we got back. Rob got us our horn adapter, and we're getting ready to throw our shocks on. I figure before we take this ride, we better put some shocks on her. So We got all these from Jegs, and I know they're not made for street use, but it's not going to see a whole lot of either. So we got everything adjusted to, I believe, 60/40 and 50/50, which is should be the good street setting. Not close enough, but we're just gonna get these front shocks on because there's no front shocks at all on the front of the car. So we're gonna slam these in, then we see what we can do. Alrighty guys, it is that time finally. We went ahead and got our comp engineering shocks in. They're set for, I think, 60/40 or something like that. Engine's all ready to rock and roll. Let me see. We're gonna try and do some cool shit with the old cameras and whatnot, but let's see if we can add a gear.
think, bud? How'd it do?
Idle is way too low, and go look at my seat.
Your blinker was on for some reason.
Well, the steering wheel is way too close to the blinker. See this? Anytime you go to steer, you're hitting the blinker.
Oh,
Yeah,
well, at least the blinkers work.
Yeah, the passenger seat back is laying in the back seat pretty much.
Oh.
Yeah, the seat isn't locking down tight enough.
Oh, and it's missing the side deal, so when he puts pressure on it, they probably pop out.
Well, he didn't. I don't think he
put those on just yet.
He's gonna take. Probably got to take that back out.
Yeah, we got to take that back out. Fire this back up and see if that idle is gonna be good enough. Good God Almighty, is that a fucking ride and a half? You have no idea.
radical.
Oh my God, you saw when it was bucking up there? That's just the cam bucking the car.
Really?
Yeah. And first gear is a pain in the ass because that clutch is really on or off, and it's just cold shit.
I don't think you better press your luck anymore.
No, this thing is terrifying, but fun as shit.
Sounds like it loads up or something.
Yeah, it might be. We definitely need to put those clips on the seat, because let me tell you, that seat moving around with you is not helping the case, because that cam is just bucking you back and forth, and holy shit. But that was fun as shit. I appreciate you guys for watching as always, and hope you enjoyed. I told you we'd get to driver, so I hope to see you guys in the next one. So take care. Bye bye.